Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset the Epson printers, particularly the models L380, L382, L386 and L486. Now before you do this, you have to go to our website, which is resetpoint.co.in, and here you can see all these models, and these are the Epson resetters and these are the Canon resetters. We provide the resetters for these printers. Now you just have to download the resetter from here. You can even create an account, and after you download it, you have to go to the resetter, and before you do this, you have to disable any antivirus program that you have, because if you don't do that, then the program won't work. So you have to disable it like I have done here, and after you do that, you just double click on this program ADJ Probe. Now you can see I am working on Windows 8 here, so this is compatible with Windows 8 and all the lower versions of the Windows, and even on Windows 10, so there won't be any problems with the OS. Now the first time you click it, you will get hardware ID for your system. Now for our resetters, you can reset the printers for any number of times. That is, these are unlimited resetters, and you do not have to pay for single resets like most other resetters out there ask you to. No, we just charge you one time and then you can reset for any number of times, but it will work on one PC only. So you will have to provide us the hardware ID that you get when you open this program for the first time, and then we will send you a serial number. You have to register with that serial number, and then this program will continue to run on your system. Now you have to open this program, which is the Epson adjustment program, and you have to select the model number of your printer. Okay, now here you can see the L382, L386 and L486. These are the three models listed here, but interestingly, with the L382 selected, you can reset L380 also, and I will show you right now that in the port selection you can keep it as auto, or you can choose L380 series. Okay, now I'm keeping it at auto. You have to connect your printer and switch it on, and then you have to press OK. And here you can see these are the options. Here there are a lot of options. There is sequential adjustment and there is particular adjustment. You have to go to particular adjustment, and there are a lot of options here again, and you have to go to this waste ink pad counter, and you have to click OK, and you get this dialog box. So here you can see you can get the status of your printer, and it says it's ready to print, and close this. Check this main pad counter here, this value, and you can check the counter value. In my case it is 0 because I have already reset this printer, so I cannot show you the actual values here. These are the actual values now, but it was at 33% before I had used this one and this program. This is at 0 here, and you will see your counter value, which is the max 6207 point on the L380 series. Now you have to just click on the main pad counter and select initialize. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. You just click OK, and please turn off the printer now. You just have to turn off the printer, wait for 5 to 6 seconds, click OK here. This is done, has been initialized properly. Just click OK and finish, and quit the program.